Hey, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. We got Harley here.
Hello.
And let's talk about floats for grouting. The reason why I want to talk about floats is a lot of people don't realize that depending upon what type of tile you have, having different floats will matter. And no one ever discusses it. All right, so what do we got here?
So we have a no-name stiff.
Where would you get that? Probably
Lowe's or Home Depot, both
Yep.
of these. And then a cap, I think that's from Home Depot. Yeah. And then a Barwalt, which is German, so you would probably have to go on their site to buy that. And then a Marshalltown, probably also go on Marshalltown.
both of these are going to be more of your tile store.
Yeah.
You know,
Tile
your
store,
professional
if they
tile
stock
stores.
it or
Yeah.
something.
Okay. So show them the differences in thickness or the stiffness.
So pretty much stiff, like it's not moving at all. I can push on it, it's not moving. Medium stiff, slightly moving. Yep.
Okay.
And then we have a what is this? A medium soft.
I would say medium. Yeah.
It's
go right up.
rigid there, but it's still moving more than that one. And then we have soft, which is just laying right over.
Okay. So why do we need different stiffnesses?
Well, if you'll show them the floor tile down here,
Yep. Okay.
this would
Let's
be
do
the
it.
float that you're going to use, because it doesn't remove too much out of the grout line. It's not flexing down in the grout line. You always want the grout lines flush. Or
Go
just
grab the
slightly
softest
below.
one. Grab the softest one and show them.
You would not want to use this one on it, because it'll conform to the grout line whenever you go to make a pass.
So what he's saying is it literally will take too much out of the grout line. The soft one will sweep it out.
Yeah.
But there's advantages, and we'll show you why you need it for certain tiles.
Right now. So this backsplash up here is very wavy, and just can you shoot that tile right there and show them straight
I
up?
just don't know.
Straight
I
up
know
show them.
we got a reflection, so.
It's really bowed, and they're all this way. They're made that way.
You don't want a stiff tile or a stiff float. The reason is the stiff float. Let me see which one's the stiffest. Right there. This one right here, and this one's probably used some of the more. Right there, because you see it's all rounded off there. All right, so as you're using it right there, it's going to leave a bunch behind. Now, you see how uneven these edges are down through here? I mean, this thing is, we tried our best, but, oh, look at that. Let's see if you can see the light. Here, I got a light right here. Let me show you. Can you see all the light that is left behind? Look at that. I mean, that's not due to how we laid this tile. It's just the way this tile is made. So let me get a soft one. Let me get this soft one right here. Let me push this up against it. Let me push in a little bit. Oh, fantastic. See how light disappears? So this is going to give us a lot better results. The softer one is for this. I've touched up a few areas. But one thing I wanted to bring up, and I'm not sure if we touched on it, but the stiffer the float is, the harder it's going to push sanded grout in. The softer the float, it's not going to, I mean, you can hear a significant difference when you're doing sanded grout. Whereas this stiff one right here, when you go across the tiles, it's like, and this right here, you barely hear anything. So that tells me that it's, as particles of sand, which are small stones, get caught on that edge, it's literally dragging across, potentially scratching your tile. So if you do have fragile fragile tiles or what have you, and you still want to use sanded, you definitely got to go with a soft, medium soft. I would just go with a soft at that point. So if a person were having 2 floats, what would you buy?
Me?
Yeah.
The soft and the stiff.
Yeah, the soft and the stiff. I think, and I'm assuming these will wear out. This is it's like our original, because we don't use it that often. But we had a tile here that was wavy, and I would say for the most part, I already put it away, but that medium gets used more than this one here, because the medium one can somewhat still do this type of tile. But all right, see ya. All right, so we're on the home stretch right here. Yeah, it's looking great. Harley always does a fantastic time cleaning the grout. All right, I think that's it. You think that's it? Come on, talk to us. That's it. That's about all you're ever gonna get out of him. So, all right.